Hello. I am Eaton, everything about total oxygen and nitrogen from Atlas Copco. Welcome to the realm of tons as your partner for on-site oxygen and nitrogen solutions. I'm here to help you navigate the challenges of your daily nitrogen and oxygen needs. In today's fast-paced industrial world, cost-effectiveness, efficiency, and reliability are key. That's where Atlas Copco's Tons Plan comes in. Tons Plan offers a reliable supply of nitrogen and oxygen without the need for upfront investment. With Atlas Copco handling equipment, maintenance, and operations, you enjoy hassle-free nitrogen and oxygen production. This means you pay a simple monthly fee for nitrogen and oxygen without the burden of buying equipment. Maximum availability with minimum investment. With Tons Plan, all relevant machine data is monitored by Atlas Copco. SmartLink diagnostic services enable us to spot and fix any deviations in performance, ensuring minimal downtime. The system ensures nitrogen and oxygen quality stays on spec, protecting downstream equipment, process, and end products. And talk about maintenance. Atlas Copco owns, monitors, and provides all the maintenance needed for the equipment. Tons Plan offers unique flexibility of having your equipment adapted quickly to new requirements. Tons Plan is an all-inclusive contract for nitrogen and oxygen delivery. Atlas Copco's Tons Plan, your partner for efficient and reliable nitrogen and oxygen supply. Contact Atlas Copco today and discover how Tons can transform your operations.